To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Moving on. Now, viewers, even as the probe in Air India flight AI 171 crash is continuing, some shocking claims have been made by a law firm in the UK. Now, these claims are about the compensation process. As per reports, the UK law firm has claimed that relatives arriving to identify remains of their loved ones were put in a crowded, dark room in intense heat with other bereaved families and were told to fill out a complicated questionnaire asking for important financial information. They claim that they were forced to sign papers disclosing their financial dependency to the deceased to perhaps deny compensation. This is the claim that's being made. Now, this is as per the law firms, and they feel that this created distressing circumstance for the grieving families. Not just that, the claim is that Air India officials went to their homes asking why the forms have not been completed. Now, these claims have been made by Peter Neenan, an aviation lawyer and partner at UK law firm, who claims to represent families in some cases in the past, like MH17 and MH370. Now, Air India has categorically rejected these allegations, calling them unsubstantiated and inaccurate. In fact, in a detailed response, Air India has called it misrepresentation of facts. Air India says due process is being followed. Interim compensation has already been released to 47 families. Documents of 55 victims have been verified and the process to release compensation is underway. Air India says payments can't be processed in an information vacuum, and basic information has been sought to establish family relationships to ensure that advance payments are received by those who are entitled to receive it. On the claim of asking details like financial dependency, the airline says it is fair to expedite process for those in dire need. Now, denying claim of a dark and crowded room, Air India says the company has set up a facilitation center at Taj Skyline in Ahmedabad, where questionnaire is available. Also, the airline mentions that no unsolicited visits by Air India officials have been made to homes to follow up on questionnaire. Now, viewers, remember, out of 242 people on board, there were 53 UK nationals, including the sole survivor, who too was a British citizen.